Hey there, future scientists. Welcome back. Get ready because today we're diving into something super cool about, well, everything around us. हम तो बहुत ही important properties के बारे में जानने वाले हैं, mass or volume.
So, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what's the real difference between something being heavy versus something being big? हम अक्सर ये words use करते हैं, right? But in science, they mean two very different things. चलो, आज ये mystery solve करते हैं.
Okay, but first, let's do a super fast recap. Remember what we learned last time? Everything, and I mean everything, your books, your lunch, even the air you breathe, it's all made of stuff. और इस stuff का scientific नाम क्या था? That's right, matter.
Alright, so now that we're all on the same page about matter, let's start exploring its properties. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे mass की. So, what exactly is mass? So, the official definition says mass is the quantity of matter in an object. थोड़ा टेक्निकल लग रहा है ना? Don't worry. इसका सिंपल सा मतलब है कि किसी भी चीज के अंदर कितना स्टफ भरा हुआ है. Think of it like this. It's all about how much material is packed inside something.
Check out this cool experiment. यहाँ देखो, we have a scale with two balloons. एक में हवा नहीं है और दूसरा फूला हुआ है. Now, why do you think the side with the inflated balloon is tilting down? It's because air isn't just empty space. Air is also matter. And क्योंकि वो matter है, उस हवा का भी mass होता है, making that side heavier. Isn't that cool?
And here's a super cool fact for you. Get this. An object's mass never changes. मतलब आपका mass यहाँ Earth पर या Moon पर या even Mars पर बिल्कुल same रहेगा. The amount of stuff you're made of doesn't just disappear. It stays the same no matter where you go.
तो हम इस stuff को measure कैसे करते हैं? Well, we use units you've probably heard of. Grams, which we write as G, and kilograms or kg. Grams छोटी चीज़ों के लिए होते हैं और kilograms बड़ी चीज़ों के लिए. For example, जब आप baking करते हो, you measure flour in grams, right?
And this is super important to remember. Ready? 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. That's a lot. Just remember this little trick. The word kilo pretty much always means 1,000. Easy, right?
Awesome! So we've figured out mass. It's the stuff inside. Now let's tackle our second big idea for today. Ready? Let's talk about volume. Okay, so the textbook definition is the amount of space that an object occupies. Per se, let's make it simple. Volume का सीधा सा मतलब है कि कोई चीज़ कितनी जगह घेरती है. It's literally about how much room something takes up in the world. Take a look at this picture. We've got a football, a book, and a pen. Simple question. इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा जगह ले रही है? Come on, it's easy. Of course, it's the football. तो हम कह सकते हैं the football has the biggest volume क्योंकि it takes up the most space. So let's put it all together. This little chart perfectly shows the difference. याद है हमारा पहला question? Heavy weighs big? Well, mass is the heavy part, the amount of matter inside. And volume, that's the big part, the amount of space an object fills. See? Simple. Okay, you guys are doing great. I think you're ready for a challenge. अब time है एक छोटे से quiz का to test your new science powers. Are you ready? Let's do this. First question is on your screen. The quantity of matter in an object is called its, is it A, mass, B, volume, C, density, or D, texture? Quantity of matter. Well, stuff वाली बात याद है? सोचो ज़रा. And the correct answer is A, mass. Yes, if अगर आपने mass सोचा, you are absolutely right, because mass is all about the stuff inside. Well done. Okay, question number 2. 1 kilogram is equal to. Your options are A, 10 grams, B, 100 grams, C, 1,000 grams, or D, 500 grams. याद करो वो किलो वाला hint जो मैंने दिया था. Did you get it? The answer is, of course, C, 1,000 grams. Fantastic job. Remember, kilo means 1,000. You guys are rocking this.
All right, next up, the space that an object occupies is called its, is it? A, mass, B, volume, C, length, or D, weight. अब हम stuff की नहीं space की बात कर रहे हैं. The जगह घेरने वाली property, what was that called? And you got it. The correct answer is B, volume. Exactly. Volume is all about the space an object takes up. You're becoming experts at this.
Okay, last question of the quiz. If a football and a pen are on a table, the football has more what? A, mass only, B, volume, C, hardness, or D, heat. Think back to that picture. दोनों में सबसे बड़ा, most obvious difference क्या है? The answer is B, volume. Absolutely. हो सकता है फुटबॉल का मास भी ज़्यादा हो, but the biggest, most obvious difference is that it takes up way more space than that little pen. It has a much bigger volume.
Amazing job, everyone. You totally aced that quiz. So let's just quickly review. The most important thing to remember today is the difference. Mass is how much stuff is inside something, and volume is how much space it takes up. Simple as that.
And before we go, I want to leave you with a little puzzle to think about. ऐसी किसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचो जिसका volume बहुत ज़्यादा हो, it takes up a lot of space, but जिसका mass बहुत ही कम हो. Can you think of anything? Give it some thought, and we'll see you next time. You did an awesome job today.